Welcome to Matri Academy. Let's begin the chapter 13, Replication. DNA replication is semi-discontinuous in nature. Question asked in CSR, ICR, JRF 2003. The evidence that DNA follows semi-conservative mode of replication was given by Michelson and Stahel in 1958. ARS Net 2001 question. Type 1 topoisomerase of prokaryotes relax negatively supercoiled DNA but does not act on positively supercoiled DNA, whereas eukaryotic type 1 topoisomerase acts on both negatively and positively supercoiled DNA molecule. Supercoils are produced in DNA in vivo by the enzyme DNA guidase, topoisomerase 2, which induces two negative supercoils at a time in a DNA molecule. Negative supercoiling is involved in recombination, gene expression, and regulation of gene action. It unwinds the two strands of a DNA molecule. Type 2 topoisomerase is able to introduce negative supercoils in a relaxed cellular molecule. Guidase, that is the type 2 topoisomerase, require ATP for introducing negative supercoils, but in the absence of ATP, it relaxes the negative supercoils. DNA guidase induces 100 negative supercoils per minute in the presence of ATP. Enzyme used in unwinding of DNA double strand are helicase and guidase. Question asked in ICR JRF 2000. DNA replication in eukaryotic chromosome is also bidirectional, except in caulophage, P2 mitochondrial and chloroplast DNA, where the unidirectional replication is done. Two enzymes, DNA guidase, also called topoisomerase 2 in eukaryotes, and DNA helicase, the DNA B, bind to the original point of DNA and induce unwinding of the two strands. Question asked in ICR JRF 2001. The regulatory apparatus for lagging strand synthesis is primosome. Primosome is associated with replication of DNA in eukaryotes. ARSNet 2001. During DNA replication, primers are removed by RNase H. IRI 2003. Role of DNA ligase is to restore phosphodiester bond and rejoin two DNA segments. It is estimated that DNA polymerase incorporates wrong base during DNA replication with a frequency of 10 to the power minus 5. IRI 2003 question. In E. coli, one complete replication of its chromosome takes 40 minutes and the rate of replication is 50,000 base pair per minute. IRI 2003 question. In prokaryotes like E. coli and Bacillus subtilis, DNA polymerase 3 catalyzes DNA replication. CSIR June 2003 question. The rate of DNA replication is slower in eukaryotes, 1 microgram DNA per minute, whereas in prokaryotes it is faster, 30 microgram DNA per minute. In E. coli, the excision activity is most likely due to the 3' to 5' exonuclease activity of DNA polymerase 1, while synthesis is accomplished by the 5' to 3' polymerase activity of the same enzyme. Question asked in IRI 2003. Rolling circle replication is found in M13 vector, ARS 2007. The replication of chloroplast genome is under the control of nuclear DNA. Question asked in ARS Net 2001. So guys, ये सारे क्वेश्चंस है जो आपके प्रीवियस ईयर एग्जाम्स में पूछे गए हैं, उनका कंपाइलेशन यहाँ था रेप्लिकेशन चैप्टर का. So let's tune to my channel. Always like and subscribe so I get more motivation from you. Thank you guys for being here.